Have you been looking for a free AI tool you can use to create longer, cinematic, and fully animated story videos, all for free? Then search no more, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use a free tool called Video Inu to create a full-length animated story just like this one, completely for free.
Tab and zip, the button that shouldn't be pressed. Zap proudly finishes a glowing red button labeled Do Not Press. Zip hovers close. Why build something you can't press? The principal bot rolls past. No
This is not one of those tutorials you have already seen on YouTube. This is a unique method that shows you how to animate your still images, generate story videos, and make them look premium even while using the free plan of Video Inu. So make sure you watch till the end because you will learn something new. Let's dive in. To access Video Inu, first things first, open your browser and search for Video Inu. Once your search results show up, click the first link with the Video Inu logo. On the interface, tap Start for Free. You will land on the page where you can scroll and see videos created by other people, which means you too can create something cinematic for free. Now let's log in. Use your Google account to sign in. And once logged in successfully, you will receive 500 free credits to create unlimited videos. When you exhaust those 500 credits, simply log in again with another email to continue. A quick tip: don't waste your credits, use them judiciously. If this video has helped you so far, take a second to like this video. It really supports the channel. Now, to create your first story, tap on the story video generator on this interface. You are going to see 4 sections: content, cast, storyboard, and edits. In the content section, paste in your story script. If you don't have one yet, you can generate it easily with ChatGPT. For example, I asked ChatGPT for a 2 to 3 minute sci-fi comedy story for kids, and it gave me a great one. Then copy it and paste in your script into the content section. Make sure your settings are correct. Set your aspect ratio to landscape or portrait, whichever you prefer. Now, as a free user, Video Inu allows you up to 1 minute per video. But here's the trick: you can later merge multiple clips for a longer video. Pick a language, choose your style. I chose 3D animation, and then tap on Next. At this point, you will also see how long your video will be. For instance, mine is 1 minute and 23 seconds long, containing 4 scenes with 16 shots that make up the full story. Once that has been confirmed, hit Next. Video Inu automatically dictates all the characters in your story. You can either choose them manually by picking from the public available characters, or you can use the auto casting option. This costs 15 credits but instantly gives you perfectly matched characters for your video. For my story, I used auto casting. It selected 3 characters, but I decided to change one, which is Zip, from what it gave me to a better character. After that, click on Next and go to the storyboard section. Here, you will see your story broken into shorts, each image representing a scene. Choose your narrator or speaker. I picked Emily because I wanted a soft, childlike voice for narration. Now tap Next to move to the Edit segment. Here you can add cover text, subtitles, and background music. Once everything looks good, tap Generate to create your video. Now Video Inu will process your story and generate your first version of the video. This version includes still image scenes and your narrator's voiceover. When it's done, tap Download, but don't leave the page yet. We are going to come back to the storyboard section to animate those same images. If you have made it this far and you are learning something new, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I drop new AI creation tutorials like this every week. Here is where the tutorial gets more interesting because this is the part most people don't know. Normally, if you try to animate directly using Video Inu as a free user, it's going to cost you more credits than the 500 credits you were given. But instead of paying, we are going to animate them externally for free. So now go back to your storyboard section and download all the storyboard images or shorts that make up your story. For me, that was about 16 images. Next, head over to Grok AI. On the home page, tap on the Imagine tab. Then, upload those storyboard images one after the other. Grok will automatically animate them, giving you motion and expression, just like Video Inu's premium animation. I also have a full tutorial on my channel showing how to use Grok AI to generate and animate both images and videos for free. This is the secret sauce. This method gives your story the same professional, animated feel without paying anything. Now that all your scenes are animated, it's time to bring them together. Open your favorite video editor, be it CapCut, InShot, or VN. Import all your animated shots to your story order, and then add the voiceover you downloaded from Video Inu earlier, which was part of the still image video. Test your timing, make small adjustments, and export your video. Congratulations! You have now created a full animated 2-minute cinematic story video completely for free from Video Inu. If you have watched to this point, I know you are really learning something valuable. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe and share it with someone who loves AI storytelling tools. And that's it.
Zap and zip, the button that shouldn't be pressed. Zap proudly finishes a glowing red button labeled Do Not Press. Zip hovers close. Why build something you can't press? The principal bot rolls past. No experiments during class hours. An empty classroom later. Zip drifts toward the hidden button. Lights flicker, zero gravity takes over the room. Zap bursts back in. Zip, what did you do? They reach for the button, but it drifts away every time. Zip bounces off chairs. Holographic alarms flash everywhere. The principal bot and nano drones swarm in as Zap and Zip flee. Zap hacks a door with his wrist gadget, they shoot through. In the engine room, Zip distracts drones with silly holograms. Zap flips switches and slams the button, gravity snaps back. Everyone thuds gently. The principal bot chuckles about making 2 buttons. Zap unveils a new blue button, totally safe to press. Zip presses it, confetti bursts as the principal bot sighs. The camera pulls out to space, confetti forms a giant smiley face.